Hello?
What are you doing?
Hey, I'm doing this video. Let me call you back. All right, all right, all right. It's your boy, Jack Mills, aka Jack, the mortgage guy. I'm back. All right, today I'm going to show you how to use this Credit Karma to raise your credit score. I'm going to show you how to use this Credit Karma to raise your credit score. All right, now we on Credit Karma right now. All right, when y'all log into it, you want to click on the first thing you want to click on is credit card use. 77%, y'all. There's 77% this person is. So what they want to do is they just want to pay down them credit cards. Let's go down a little bit. Yeah, Michelin and all them, Ally, Mercury, just pay them down 100%, 105, 103. Yeah, just pay down them credit cards. That's all they have to do. If they can get it to 10%, if they can get it to 10%, their credit score might jump up 50 to 100 points. They can get it to 10%. And y'all remember, your credit card utilization, that's 30% of your credit score. That's almost half your credit score. All right, we're gonna go to payment history. That is 35% of your credit score, payment history is. And a payment history right here is 98%. Yeah, 98%, three late payments. That's not bad. That's not bad. You know, what I would do is to try to get them late payments off, I would so they got late payments on Fingerhut. Let's click on it real quick. Zero balance. All right, them late payments are actually kind of old. They're back in like 2023. 2023. So it's not really affecting their score that much. Anything within 2 years affects your score the most. Anything within 2 years affects your score the most. So this person right here, 2023, them late payments, it's probably hurting them a little bit. Definitely, if it was in 2024, it'd definitely be hurting. But you could dispute You could dispute those late payments. There's three late payments on here. You could dispute it. Or call up, who is this? Credit card. Hold on. Fingerhut, yeah. Or call up Fingerhut and ask them to take it off your credit report. See, it'll take them late payments off your credit report first and then dispute it. Go back. All right, derogatory amount, derogatory marks. On these derogatory marks, that's really like collections, uh, tax liens, collections, medical, and they don't have any derogatory amounts, marks. Yeah, they don't have any derogatory marks on here. So let's say if they did have a collection on there, the first thing I would do is just pay off that collection account. And if you pay it off, make sure you get a pay for delete. That is, you make the payment, you pay them, and they take it off your credit report, but get it in writing. Get that, try to get that in writing now. See if they'll take it off. Oh yeah, your public records is on here like bankruptcies, tax liens. That's all on the derogatory part on Credit Karma. Credit age, 2 years. 2 years on credit age. They just need to get there's nothing you can really do about that except wait it out time. That's all you can really do. Except wait it out. And I'll show you right here on Credit Karma, like you go to like credit card age, here it is 9 years for this city card. That's 9 years. Capital One is 10 months. See, and that's what dropped their age. Now, see, at one time, this person right here got 9 years on his age. But when he got that new credit card 10 months ago, it dropped his age. Look, and then he got another. That's what happens when you apply for credit cards and you get them. Then he got another one 10 months ago, dropped his age. 9 months ago, dropped his age. 8 months ago, dropped his age. 2 months ago, dropped his age. So this person right here, probably a year ago, their age was probably, I'm gonna say at least 5 to 6 years. Yeah, because the first card was 9 years ago. Was 9 years ago. And that messed them up right there by applying for new credit. Yeah, you still gonna build it back up though. Once they start making these payments on these credit cards and pay down that utilization, because they're high on the utilization, remember that's 77%. Once they do that, that credit score go back up. It's not the end of the world, man. We got problems. We all got problems. We all have problems in this world, man. We're just trying to make it. We're just trying to make it right through it. So credit ain't everything, but you need it's a little bit now. We got to get that credit score up so we can get them cars and houses and live out your dreams. Okay, let's go back. All right, total amounts. You want a little bit of everything on your credit report. You want like you want credit cards. You want a car note. You want a mortgage. You want all these different installment loans, revolving credit. You want all these different accounts. And that's actually going to help your mix too, your credit mix, when you get all these different accounts. Let's say like you have a credit card and you have a car note. As soon as you get that mortgage, your credit score is going to go up just by having a different mixture. On total amounts, this person has 18 accounts. You really only need probably about 6 to 10 accounts to really get the best out of your credit score. But 18 is not that bad. I bought a book from a lawyer probably about 6, 7 years ago, and he said you need about 20 to 30 accounts. I'm like, man, you got that lawyer money. You got that lawyer money. That's why you say that. But yeah, man, try to get you at least about 6 to 10 accounts, open accounts, your own accounts too, though. A lot of people will get a bunch of authorized users. I mean, they help you out. They'll help you out, but I would try to get your own individual account too, not just authorized user credit cards. Okay, let's see. All right, them hard inquiries. This person only has one hard inquiry. That's good. That's real good. On these inquiries, they stay on your credit report. They stay on your credit report 2 years. 2 years on the inquiries, but they only affect your credit score 1 year. So if you have inquiries on your credit report that you don't know anything about it, if you don't know anything about these inquiries, dispute it. Dispute it with the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Dispute it with them. That's not bad. That's not bad. One, I've seen I've seen people with 50, 50 inquiries. And that looks bad to these lenders and these institutions because it makes you look like you're real thirsty for credit, like you're real desperate for credit. That's what it kind of makes you look like. But it is what it is. We all learn from our mistakes. We all learn from our mistakes. Nobody's perfect. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you use Credit Karma to boost your credit score up. Remember, I told you in one of my other videos that Credit Karma is an advertising site. They get paid like every time you click on a credit card, every time you click on it, they make money that way. Not saying you won't get the credit card, but there's a good chance you might not. But this is how you use Credit Karma to boost your credit score up. Go back to on-time payment history. They're at 98%. Dispute some of that, you know what I'm saying? Try to get them late payments off or call up the company and see if they'll take them late payments off. Credit card use, 77%. Pay down them credit cards. Pay down the credit cards. Derogatory amount, zero. But if you did have some collections or medical, you could pay them off. Get a pay for delete. If you pay it, make sure they take it off your credit report or dispute them. Dispute it. But but be careful on the disputes too. Like if it's a high amount and it has something to do, let's say if it's a collection company and it has something to do with a credit card, like they got Capital One on her. Let's say if that balance is like $5,000, you might not want to dispute it because there's a good chance they could come after you and sue. So be careful with it. You could get sued over there on the credit cards. So you got to make a judgment call on that. Just think about what you're doing. Credit age, 2 years. You just got to wait it out in time. That's it. Just wait it out, and eventually your age will go up. Total counts 18. That's pretty high, but you only need about 6 to 10. That's it, and that's how y'all use Credit Karma to boost your credit score up. And you can drop your credit score by them inquiries if you keep applying for credit cards. It will drop your credit score. All right, that's how you use Credit Karma to boost your credit score up. And I'm Jack Mills, aka Jack the Mortgage Guy. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Peace.